Happy birthday, Julie. Sa piyat na linis. Kusin.
Okay, now come in.
Linis ba kami mo? It's okay.
Nicole Express. Ito,
Dinakdakan daw.
Sir, magandang ganito lang design sa bahay mo. Ito lang.
Chicken?
Pero dapat malalaki.
Cake. Yay!
Where are you going?
This is my birthday.
Red velvet.
This is an accident. That's my dad playing. She's greedy.
Sarap na. Ganda pala dito. Wow. Wow. Diyan. How is it? Good. Everybody do it.
Drinks. Board pa yan.
Pag hindi na board, patay na. Pinanalo na, uwi na.
Yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah. Party party.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very big sacrifice.
Yes, Julie.
Boys, kagotan naman na paano.
Lasing.
Ayos yung dance niya na. Ang dilim eh. Kulang na lang dance light eh.
Privacy. May surprise pa siya.
Beautiful sunrise. So we are in St. Regis Hotel.
Ate Reggie Hotel.
Ate Regis Hotel.
Kape-kape muna guys.
Yan.
Mga early konto.
Yan.
Early bird.
Sobrang ganda. So yan yung building. It's, ang laki-laki ng swimming pool.
And then pupunta kami ngayon sa beach. Dito, Papa. Yes. So, dapat kanina pa kami. 6:10 ang sunrise. Nakalabas na siya. Oh my God. Tinanghali kami. Yun o, may hagdan dun.
Parking area ng yate ata yan.
Oo.
Ang mga jet ski. Pero walang jet ski. Birthday celebrant. No? Enjoy na enjoy. Yan nyo na. Pagbigyan nyo na. Ganyan talaga mga tumatanda. Kailangan mo ng pasensya. Do not climb on rocks. Bilisan mo, papagalitan ka. Tingnan mo. Sabi ko sa inyo po Anong liwanag. Good morning, Doha.
Yes. So, yan yung St. Regis. And then, kita mo yung West Bay. And then, may sunset. See? Ay, sunrise. Ano ba?
Hapon na.
Super nice. Grabe. Sulit, guys.
Paddle Qatar.
Ayan. Ayos ba?
Yes, ayos. Thank you sa treat. Birthday girl.
You're welcome.
Hindi pa niya birthday pero shag na yan.
Yes. Advance celebration.
Oh, advance happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bukas pa birthday niyan. Pero abot na treat.
Tama.
Yung mga friends ko Kita mo yun?
Hi, friends!
Hi, friends! Ingat kayo dyan, baka kayo manunod. Kaya ng buhay.
Mukhang mababa lang yan, Papa.
Oo nga. Nakakapagod sa tubig
I want to experience that.
Hindi pwede yun din sa mga walang balanse.
Nakakabalanse na ako, nakakapag-bike na ako. Jump shot!
You know I'm gonna get.
Ayaw ko na, tagili na ako.
Hello guys, this is second day and we're in the pool.
Shay! Morning Zumba! Let's go! Where's the lifeguard? Tayo natin lifeguard.
Julie, look, Julie. Say hi to the camera. Hi guys. Hi guys. Julie, high five. High five. Oh, see? Julie, high five. High five. Julie, high five. It took a long time for yours. Me no. High five. See? See, it's so easy for high five. High five. High five. High five. Yay.
Okay, go. Ayun, parang may sagala. Diyan, diyan, diyan.
What do you have?
Fruits.
Fruits for
Fruits
me.
for you.
Wow.
Anong gusto mo? This for you. This.
Ayan sila sa kabilang side.
Po.
Daddy John.
You want to ligo? Sure?
Cheers na yung food.
Ayan.
Sarap. Number 1.
Hi, Gian. Okay. Hello.
Ready? And
Are you having fun?
No. Yeah. I forgot the guy's name.
Who's your playmate?
A grade 7 guy. His name. And we don't know his name.
Ah.
That's it. Give me. Caught it. Oh, no, give it to me. Let's go. I want to ride with your legs.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Eating. Yung mga mahilig sa food. Food lovers.
True.
Food lovers. Always eating.